Any one of you having any question, then you can ask. Can you see my screen? All of you can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So I've shown you regarding the GCP we have seen, and just give wanted to give you one big picture regarding the GCP, and you can see on my screen, right? So we have seen storage, compute, app engine, right? I've shown you. We're going to see some more services, but before that, some of the thing I thought to explain you, so that you should be aware about the some theoretical concept also before going into the projects. So this thing you should remember. This is a good that interview question usually asks how many region that GCP they have. It is 20 and 61 zone. This slide I have uploaded in a GitHub. You can download it from there, and reason wise you can see this image. And these are the different services. As I said you, the service name that on when you click on the horizontal screen, that bar, you see different services, right? Let me show you. If you remember, then when you click on just click on this account, so when you click on this horizontal bar, you see several services here, right? These are the services given by your GCP. Services in the sense the option that they give to you, like security, support, billing, API services, compliance, IAM admin, IAM role, that is called IAM role, file store, big table, SQL. So these are the different services are there. So same thing we are talking about here. These are the different services: AutoML, deployment manager, file store, memory store. These are the several services that GCP they are having, and we use these services. So let's see one by one. So as I said you, right, I hope I explain you on the first class only that what is IaaS. This is called infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So from the name only it is clear what is this platform as a service or infrastructure as a service and software as a service. Infrastructure means that provide you a system. Like yesterday we were talking about compute engine. Compute engine is what? Compute engine is they are providing you the machine to work, right? They are giving you one machine, virtual machine. So that is called infrastructure. If I talk about app engine, so these the GCP services are classified under these three categories. Now you tell me, if you are using Gmail, Gmail is a Google product, right? You are using Gmail, so it comes under what? Product, software, or infrastructure. Infrastructure means hardware, product means a platform. You can think it this is a platform as a service. Sorry, P for platform. Platform means like a system where you are running it. Platform like an applications, app engine. Software means your Gmail. Gmail service is your software as a service, because there you log in it. Okay, you just log in your Gmail, you create an account, and you just access the service, right? So any cloud service, whether it is AWS, Azure, or GCP, it is divided into three categories. That is your infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, I for infrastructure, P for platform, S for software as a service. As a service. So infrastructure means yeah. Any one of you having question? Yeah. So this is as a service, software as a service, this is a platform as a service, and this is software as a service. Infrastructure means a system like a compute engine where they are providing you virtual machine to run an application, deploy application. Platform means app, that you are developing what kind of app engine, what kind of app means Node.js, Python, what application you are developing. What application you are developing. And this is called a DevOps tool, migration. This all I will going to show you one by one, but just be clear regarding this. If they ask you what is this infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, then just remember, as for software, then you just see what are the software that you use it, where you don't require any system. Gmail, do you require for Gmail accessing any system configuration and all? No, right? You just log in into the website, just click on the Gmail and open any website, right? You just click Gmail, open the Gmail. It's like a software. Website is also software, right? A web application. So it's like a software that you are opening, right? Now here, this platform is the machine, the application that you are running, and this is your infrastructure. So this thing you should be clear that these are the three categories, and all the cloud having these categories. So these are the service name that mostly being a cloud engineer you require. Virtual machine, you need it. Yesterday we have seen how to create instance in GCP, right? So that virtual machine you need, instance you need it. Google Cloud Automate Engine, this is GAE. So this instance you need it. PubSub story, PubSub you can ignore right now. I can show you PubSub what is it is. PubSub is to process real-time data. Real-time data means, for example, let me explain you. This thing also you should aware, like how we process the real-time data. Okay, for example, this is your Facebook. Okay, in this Facebook you daily post your pics, right? You tag your image, you post an image, right? So that is what your real-time data, that is you're doing at a real time, and immediately as you post it will be available, right? There is no kind of legacy and storage. Posting pics, right? Tagging image or any advertisement, Google ad, these all are real times, right? Means as you post it will immediately available on the screen, right? These all are called real time data. So PubSub is like a service in the Google Cloud that is used to process this real time data. I will going to show you all those things, like how you can write a code on the PubSub to process this real time data, how to do configuration for that. But this posting, it mean that how you can really whenever you post it, whether it is LinkedIn, Twitter, how it get immediately available on the website, right? That is called real time. Similarly, there is one more example. You do your day-to-day transaction, right? So the real-time data, how you detect fraud detection, fraud or any kind of fraud on your real-time transaction that you do, right? That is also an example of fraud detection or like a real-time data. Normally what happen whenever you do transaction, suppose you went to the shop, if you have any question you can ask, went to the shop and you did transaction of 1 lakh, which is a very unusual, you never done before 1 lakh transaction. So what the app do, app usually